It is now approximately 12:51 a.m., June 29, 2025, right along the Minneapolis border. The rain is just starting to hit. Plenty of lightning, quite breezy. Doesn't sound like there's been much tornado activity in the last 20 or 30 minutes as the storm quickly blows across the South Metro. It's coming down. There's some thunder in the air. I'm in one of the few somewhat dry spots outside my house. And the rain's getting heavier. I think it's a pretty fast moving storm. It's going to be heavy and it's going to be wet.